Top 5. Atom shape round. Galvanometer type manual. Display type analog. Case material rubber. Case diameter 47 millimeters. Case thickness 16 millimeters. Moment quartz. Water resistant depth 100 meters. Top 4. Atom shape round. Galvanometer type mineral. Display type analog and digital. Case material carbon stainless steel. Case diameter 48 millimeters. Band material resin. Band length main standards. Bezel material stainless steel. Moments quartz. Water resistant depth 200 meters. Top 3. Band material resin style casual. Display tab analog and digital. Case material carbon fiber plastic. Features water resistant backlight wall time. Moment quartz. Double LED lights. Water resistant 200 meters. Top 2. Atom shape round. Galvanometer type mineral. Display type digital. Case material stainless steel. Case diameter 5 centimeters. Moment quartz. Water resistant depth 200 meters. Top 1. Atom shape round. Galvanometer type inorganic glass. Case diameter 5 centimeters. Case thickness 15 millimeters. Band material plastic stainless steel. Band width 20 millimeters. Moment solar. Water resistant depth 200 meters. Thanks for watching. Product by link given in description.